Okay, so first we have to launch our little duplicate photo program, which is in my toolbar here, my toolbar called All, and it's not websites, it's under Programs, Duplicate Photo Finder. Here it is. Okay, so this is a program. Let's maximize it. Give you a little example here, which is not a complete match. It's a 56% match. And the nice thing with this program, it really compares the pictures, not the names of the pictures, which, very often are different and still the same picture. So the first thing you want to do is you want to look at the settings up here, because the default is only bitmap and JPG, but if you're like me and you have a lot of PNG pictures, you want to check the PNG. If you have GIF, you can check that too and say OK. Now you have to do that every time, these settings, because it doesn't remember the settings from session to session. Next, you need a picture folder. You go to the plus sign up here, go in the libraries, and your pictures. Let me go to my pictures on F. What do we take? Lisa's pictures. Take those and say OK. So now we have the picture folder that we want to analyze, which is up here, and we can start the analysis, start the search. And it goes very fast. It's 200 pictures in here. And this is not a very powerful computer. It's a 2.5 gigahertz dual core and a $50 graphics card. But as you can see, it really runs fast. If you have an i7 with a big graphics card, it'll be in no time. Did that in 15 seconds and found 8 duplicates. Okay, let's have a look at the duplicates. Here's one duplicate. Okay. Now this is 100% duplicate, so you probably don't want that. So you go to this little icon here which says delete file. You can delete it on this side or on this side here, or whichever you prefer. And you delete the file. Yes, I want to delete it. Okay, and you delete it. It comes with the next picture, which is another 100% duplicate. Okay, and you delete this one here. You delete it. Okay. Here is another 100% duplicate. Now, let's say you weren't sure whether you want to delete it forever, because when you delete, it doesn't even appear in the recycle bin. It is just gone. You can go to this arrow here, which gives you the possibility to save it. And you go to your libraries, and I have this temporary library here, where I actually defined already a little duplicate picture folder, and I defined that and said OK, and it says this was moved successfully, and let's just check whether it was actually moved. Here's my folder, and here's the duplicate pictures. Well, there's two. This one is from a previous attempt, so let's delete that. It's just in the way. Okay. So the picture was actually saved, the swimming pool of my brother-in-law. So you can save the picture, and here we have already the next one, which is 100% duplicate. Now if you wanted to skip this one, you can't really do that with a button, because that's one thing that didn't provide a skip button. And so what you do, you go down here and click on the next picture, and it'll bring the next picture up, and there's again a full duplicate, so you can delete that. Here's another one. If you didn't see quite well what the picture is in these little frames here, you can just click on it, and your default picture view will show it. Now that's Lisa and me, and it is a full duplicate, so we'll delete it. Okay. Here's another one, which is a full duplicate, so let's get rid of it. And And here's an interesting one. There's only a 16% match. So it is probably very different. So if you look at the pictures, you can see this one, and then you look at the next one, this one. See, these are clearly two different pictures. So you may probably not want to eliminate this one. So that is actually all you have to do, other than close the program when you're done. So this one we keep, we don't do anything with it. And let me stop the recording.